Good evening, my countrymen. As agreed amongst us kanina, I will present the speakers, then one by one they will also present their report. We have Secretary Duque, update on the COVID-19 response. Then we have Secretary Eduardo Anyo of the DILG. Ang pag-usapan ito, medyo makinig tayo dito ng konti kasi pati ako, hindi ko masyado nakuha ito noon. Granular lockdown, Ayuda, VAC Certificate Philippines, minimum public health standard and illegal drugs. Yun ang report ni Secretary Anyo. Then Secretary Lorenzana will report on the Crisis Action Plan implementation updates. Then followed by Secretary Galvez Jr., updates of the National Vaccination Program. Then we have Secretary Roque on the net satisfaction rating ng gobyerno. Then we have Secretary Vivencio Dizon. He has no presentation to make, but just the same, his presence is required. That baka talaga merong maitanong sa kanya along the discussion. Then we have Secretary Rogales of the Philippine Coconut Authority. Ito yung, it's one of the important things. Ewan ko kung kasali yung pera na ibalik doon sa farmers through programs prepared by government. Yung na-recover ho ng coconut levy, I don't know if it's included there. At ito yung sinasauli na sa mga farmers. Ang problema niyan, yung ibang farmers, hindi na ma-locate, hindi na mahanap. And then